The goal with this activity is to really work the legs. You loosen up the shoulders and the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a plate, and you wanna hold the plate just like so. So I'm gonna grip my fingers on the edges. The elbows are gonna stay bent like this, and I'm holding it like I'm holding a tray. In terms of stance, you want one foot on a block, the other's gonna be off. They're gonna be in line. So I look kind of like this right here. If I was doing my right leg, I'm gonna do my left in this case. Soft knees at the start. What you wanna do is you wanna exhale, reach the elbows down slightly, then you're just gonna hold this tray, inhale, squat down, exhale up like so. Keep the tray close to you, don't let it tip away. From the front, just make sure the knees stay centered, they don't cave in, they don't go too far out. The tray stays close. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.